I am Mr. H2S, here to entertain and make you smile. Perhaps not Hollywood material, but real-life adventures, lots of travels and joy. Explore with Lisa is my partner, we travel and smile together. Our mission is to make you smile too. I hope you enjoy this video and smiled.
A rebel in disguise, Lisa by his side, fire in her eyes through the lens. They carve away, pixels screaming loud, don't fade away. Algorithms change, we break, we climb, fight the void, one frame at a time. Subscribe to the vibe, let it keep us alive. Smile with us, watch the colors collide. We're running through the world, hearts open wide. Subscribe to the
Alrighty then, we made it to the end. I can't really stretch this video much more. It was a pleasure to entertain you. Keep smiling and do come back. Oh, before I go, I have to ask you to consider becoming a sponsor. Sponsors on Patreon get access to behind-the-scenes videos. $1 is enough to become a sponsor. We understand not everyone can spare a dollar, but if you want to support us anyway, then please watch our videos to the end. A like and a share is also a great way to support us on our journey. Keep smiling and have a superhero week.